We live in an age of extraordinary technological change. Inventions that science fiction writers could have barely dreamed of are now real products you and I can buy. Autonomous driving, additive or 3D printing, generative design, robotics and the smart factories of Industry 4.0. Creative destruction is in full force. New companies will emerge, offering spectacular returns, while others will struggle to stay relevant. We know all about the successes of Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon. But what's next? At the core of the investment themes that we at Platinum find most exciting today is digitisation. Digitisation is the fuel powering tomorrow's world. Think artificial intelligence. Clever algorithms and big data have been brought to life by the use of GPUs, a specialized type of microchip originally designed for video games, but have proven to be well suited to machine learning, enabling machines to see, converse, navigate, and create. The application of these AI capabilities is in turn accelerating multitudes of other developments. Level 3 self-driving cars, where a human driver can be completely hands-off, is already available on the Audi A8. Level 4 automation, where the driver can snooze for the entire trip, is predicted by car makers like Ford, Daimler, Volvo and BMW for launch in 3 years' time. By removing the human driver, GM estimates the cost of a ride can be lowered by nearly a half. This dramatic reduction could result in a massive new rideshare market. Digitisation isn't just happening on our smartphones and smart cars and homes. It is happening deep inside our industrial processes. It's not only products that are being digitised, but also how they are created. Industry 4.0, the idea of revolutionizing manufacturing through automation, data exchange, AI, and the Internet of Things, is being pursued vigorously by German manufacturers led by Siemens. Their product lifecycle management system seamlessly interlinks and traces every stage of production, from product inception to testing and improvement to plant configuration and stock replenishment. We are heading towards cyber-physical systems in which digitized machines and workpieces directly communicate with each other via ubiquitous wireless connectivity and make autonomous decisions about the next production step. Digitization is also embodied in the convergence of generative design, additive manufacturing, and new materials. AI-driven software is creating new designs that are mathematically optimized for the desired attributes, whether it is durability, efficiency, or environmental sustainability, after evaluating hundreds of simulated alternatives. The results are often remarkably different from the designs conceived for classical manufacturing methods. Geometries that were once only possible in 2D drawings can now be rendered in 3D, slice by slice, layer by layer, using laser sintering, providing unprecedented versatility. GE is using additive manufacturing to produce jet engine parts and power generator components. Others are 3D printing prosthetics, bridges, and buildings. Digitization has even created a new breed of asset known as cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether, Ripple, the list goes on. While the speculative fever for these digital tokens may subside, potential real-world uses of the blockchain technology are just beginning. Speedy and low-cost money transfers, property registries, indeed any kind of ownership record. Its decentralized model will challenge privileged rent-seeking intermediaries and may usher us into a new era of the Internet of Value, where there is no border or friction to the flow and exchange of assets. These are just some of the themes we have been preoccupied with when building our portfolios. There are many more. Gene therapy, precision medicine and big data are transforming disease treatment and prevention. Quantum computers are also on the horizon. These delicate machines that need to be kept in near absolute zero temperatures seek to harness the peculiar properties of subatomic particles into a means of performing super-fast and super-complex calculations, cracking encryptions, and solving in an instant optimization problems that take classical computers years to process. Intel recently announced a 49-qubit quantum chip, and IBM has made its 20-qubit system available on its cloud platform. Others, including Australia's own research institutions, are in hot pursuit. What seems magical can feel distant. The reality is that these technologies are very much already here. Funding for all these innovations is aided by cheap capital. Most important is the immediacy of the new and the scale of change. We will be managing your money with this creative destruction in mind.